It's been 3 long years since technology companies from around the world have gathered here in Berlin to show us all the latest in tech. There's 2,000 exhibitors and there'll be over 250,000 people come through the IFA show to see what might be their next purchase. One thing that's unique about this show is that unlike anywhere else in the world, the focus is on appliances from all around our home, from ovens to dishwashers to washing machines and even what was once the humble fridge, something Samsung Australia's Jeremy Senior believes Australians are looking to personalise like never before.
Over the last couple of years, Australians have spent more time at home than ever before, and they're looking for products that will make their home their sanctuary.
Samsung invited me to Berlin to see their new range of Bespoke appliances that fit that very need.
So Bespoke is about customization. It's about making the product that suit your life and your situation. Whether that be you need a 4-door fridge or 2 single-door fridges, you can customize the cabinets and then you can customize the color on the front panel to suit the design of your home.
LG's take on the custom look is to use an app to control colour-changing panels on the front of your fridge so you can change the colours to suit your mood on any given day. James Wells from Appliance Retailer puts all this in perspective.
This is a multi-billion-dollar industry. What we've seen here at IFA is that there are products that have been released that no one's ever seen before. There are people that have worked in this industry for decades, buyers of retail stores, that have literally said, this is the game changer. IFA has brought together appliances that will be seen on shop floors that are a game changer for households and for future product development. You'll see other brands now chasing the product development that we've seen here at IFA.
Now we've got foldable smartphones, we've got curved screens, but now a monitor from LG that goes from flat to curved at the touch of a button. This LG OLED is actually curving in front of my eyes. And Samsung's answer to that is this, the Odyssey Arc, a 55-inch curved screen which can be run vertically or horizontally for the ultimate gaming experience.
This is a new watermark in product innovation. Whether it's an oven that can clean itself, similar to a dishwasher, a refrigerator that changes colour, a screen that actually bends in front of your eyes. These are products that will be entertaining people on the shop floor and in their homes for months and years to come.
Now, if I think gadgets of the future, this is probably a great example. Reimagine what you think is a laptop. This laptop has no physical keyboard. It's a full screen, foldable, bendable OLED display. Now you can use a physical keyboard as a Bluetooth accessory, or when you need a keyboard, it simply appears on screen, and when you're done, it just folds up, ready to go. This little alleyway here is a small snapshot of a huge show here in Berlin. There's phone cases, cables, more phone cases, more cables, different designs, different brands, all trying to get the attention of thousands of retailers from around Europe and around the world who might take their product and sell it in their stores. And one brand is from Australia, STM Goods, trying to make it on a global stage.
So we started in Bondi, so again, 20 years ago, over 20 years ago. And these are shows that have allowed you access to people around the world. And here people come from anywhere from the Middle East to Morocco and from everywhere. So it gives you exposure to all those people that you wouldn't get access to otherwise. Our flagship product at the show is our new Dux backpack. It's our high-end backpack, has great space for your laptop, for your iPad, can fit a camera, really comfortable back and suspension system, makes it really comfortable to carry.
I think every state and territory in Australia is grappling with legislation and regulation around electric scooters. And they need to get that done because they're not going anywhere. There are so many brands and makes and models and variants of these things here at IFA in Berlin and all across Europe. And of course, the electric scooter technology can be used in other ways. This is for warehouses, easily carrying stuff around using the same e-scooter technology. I mean, in reality, everyone's a big kid at heart. One of the key themes I'm seeing everywhere here is sustainability and the environment. The biggest companies in the world are talking about it, how they can do better for the environment, but also companies you've never heard of. Here's a set of headphones made from almost 100% recycled plastic sourced from the ocean. Samsung's approach includes changing all their TV remotes from having batteries that you need to replace to being solar powered.
When you consider the tens or hundreds of millions of single-use batteries that power all of those remote controls in your home, by taking them out of our TV remotes, we've made a meaningful difference to the amount of waste that's been created.
And of course, at Europe's biggest trade show, where sustainability is at the core of everything, 3D printed steak. So, okay. It's not steak. It's not steak at all. It's not horrible, but I really want to spit it out. Can you stop recording? If you've got pets, this could be for you. A couple of $1,000, and it's a pet dryer called the Pet Millia. Your pet's been out in the rain or it's just had a bath, put it in here and it'll dry it off. Well, forget Dolly the sheep. This is Clone, the interactive digital human. Artificial intelligence, computer generated human beings that are explaining things. It might be in medical terms, it might be in broadcasting. Let's just hope there's no tech expert version anytime soon. See, the world of technology is not just about appliances and TVs and computers, it's also electric cars. There's electric car chargers for your home because more and more electric cars are the topic of conversation and they're being sold at a great rate. So everyone's going to want one of these at home. And of course, it's not all high tech here at IFA in Berlin. This Lego Technic model of the Lego Technic Ferrari, 1,300 hours to build, 287,000 bricks, and it's here just to get attention. IFA in Berlin is held in one of the biggest convention centres I've ever been to. And when you go hall to hall, there's big brands you've heard of, Samsung, LG, Panasonic, they're all here. Sometimes there's brands you've heard of, but they're a bit confusing. This is Tesla, but not at all related to the car company, a completely separate business using that same name to sell appliances in Europe. Now this is either the answer to a question nobody's ever asked or the ultimate gadget for people who love shoes. This is the LG Styler Shoe Care. This will sanitize, clean and care for your shoes in a little process there, and then you can display them in the LG Styler shoe case. So you can have them on rotation, you can stack multiple of them high and keep all your shoes in a lovely display cabinet and looked after and clean from LG. Samsung though will tell you imitation is the greatest form of flattery, with their shoe dresser already released in some parts of the world, perhaps not quite as style focused. As always at these shows, there's plenty of big new TVs and nothing bigger than this, the 110-inch brand new micro LED from Samsung. Super impressive new technology, but it comes with a big budget, $200,000. But I guess, like everything here at IFA in Berlin, you can only dream.